What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 11, so let's jump right in. Oh wow, they made it to the beach? Yo, this is cool. Oh, this might be his first time seeing one in this world. Yeah, he's thinking of his past life. Fel just wants to fight. Oh, okay, new town. So this town is called Burland. So that's pretty cool. The Great Sea Battle. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Are they on, like, they got a drought or something? There's gonna be some, like, monster in the sea that's, yeah, a kraken. Yeah, that's so no one can fish. Yeah, I figured. So what, they're gonna fight this thing? Fel's like, let's fight it, come on. Yo, this guy looks like Davy Jones, what the hell? Oh, he's been waiting for him, okay. B-Ring party. So this is like I mean, I feel like anything they face is gonna be easy for them. Like, I don't see Fel losing any challenge. Like, bro, he like jumps at the thought of fighting. Plus, he wants to eat it, so that's another thing. Yeah, they're definitely edible. Alright, so take on this job, take this thing out so you can cook some fish. And it'll, like, you know, help with the praises of the town too. Let's see how big this place is gonna be for them to stay at. Oh, is it huge? Oh shit. Way bigger than the other one. Yo, that is cool. A former aristocrat's villa? Ooh, look at that sunset. That is beautiful. Hell yeah. I mean, he's got the money. All the quests and missions they've done. Dude, I just love the vibes of this show. Like, the adventures they go on. It's so nice. Fel's like, start making food right now. I'm starving. Hayashi rice. So what, we got broccoli, mushrooms. Is it gonna be fish? Minotaur meat. Oh shit, okay. Oh, alright. This is gonna look so good. Oh, get some onions sizzling in there. Add the meat, salt and pepper. Now, me personally, I'm not a fan of mushrooms, but bro, the way that he makes things, I would probably like this. Sounds like my turds when they drop in the toilet. Oh, so it's still curry. What the fuck? Broccoli juice? What the hell? Bro, what the hell? Sui's like a swing on the branch. What in the world? Bro, bro. You can see the steam coming off of these things. Yeah, I wonder why it's not called Hayashi curry instead of Hayashi rice. Bro, he just wants meat, meat, meat. Like, that's all he wants. Dude, they're going to town on this thing. I can't get over the broccoli jizz part. Like, what the hell? Here's more. Now they're full and they're gonna fall asleep. Oh, cake? Yo. That's what I'm saying, bro. You always need dessert after a meal. And it's not just because I have a sweet tooth either. It's like, is anyone else like that? Like, you taste something like savory or salty, then you need something sweet after. I'm like that, like, with every meal. Oh shit, and pudding. So excited. Bruh. Pudding! Dude, they're living the life, bro. Free food from a master chef, then bath times and sleep. It's like they're living the dream right now. Yeah, what, do they need a boat or something? He used lightning magic on the Kraken? What the heck? Does he not have an answer? Okay. They're trying to figure this thing out. Bruh, he just wanted to fight it. He didn't even have a backup plan. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Yeah, the boat would sink. That's what I was thinking. They need Dora to go out there first because he can fly. They need him as like bait to bring the Kraken closer to the shore. Uh-oh. Oh shit, Sui going fishing? Wait, does he have an idea? Sui and Dora are gonna be bait? Or is Sui gonna make a boat? Or is Sui gonna be the boat? Yeah. Okay. Sui's gonna be the boat. Oh, the voice, bro. I forgot the voice changes. It's so funny. Bro, like, shit like that is why Sui's my favorite character. Uh-oh. Does he see it? You think the Kraken would see half of Sui's body underneath the waves? Oh, it's coming close. Oh gosh, it's gonna come from behind. Oh shit. Yo, they're making this suspenseful. Completely different vibe from the show normally. Holy crap, is it even bigger than they thought? Oh shit. Whoa, it's fighting something else? What the hell? A sea serpent? Yeah. Oh shit. Yo, this is cool. I wasn't expecting a fight between the Kraken and something else. It's a kaiju movie. Oh shit, okay. He's going Super Saiyan. Ooh, hell yeah. No way they one-shotted him. Did they really? Did they really just one-shot them? Bro, what? They one-shotted them? Well, what the heck? Sui wanted to beat up a fishy. Oh, he's gotta swallow them and bring them back. Holy shit, bro. You can do it. Oh shit, there's another one. Okay. What the hell? Something just ate them? Oh, what the hell is that? Everyone's cracking. Wait, Sui kills it? Oh, yeah. Sui killed whatever that thing is. Sui got a big fishy. Bro, the whole... the whole of that thing. Holy shit. Yeah, what is that thing, bro? How the fuck do you say that? Aspakiftiful? Like, what the hell? Top quality white meat. Alright, take it. We're gonna eat this thing. We're gonna cook it up and eat it. They were all S ranks. So what the fuck are felling them? Like S rank? The heck? Yeah, bro, they beat those things. Bro, his familiars don't need to prepare. He's like, hey, we're done. We already beat them. Oh, they were fighting over the fish? And then that thing showed up. The Aspadufulka, whatever the fuck it is. Bruh. Hell yeah. They didn't need a boat. Oh, he had a boat ready for them? Oh shit. Well, Sui got the job done, so. Bro, they ain't gonna fit in this building. Yeah, they gotta take this shit outside. Yeah, I was gonna say, this ain't the only thing, boys. Like, bro, they took out those sea monsters in one hit each. Like, bro, they are some OP familiars. Oh, he's giving them to the fishermen. At least get the money for them. Oh, sharing is caring. He's like, wait, we're eating it? Bro, it looks so... Ugh, I would not want to eat it. I guess at the end of the day, the meat's gonna look good. Huh. Now they get to rest. Yo, what is he gonna do to cook these things? Does he have like a giant stove or something? So these are all the like spices and stuff, the seasonings, the sauces. Oh shit! Oh, he's got a giant grill. I think. Right? I think that's a giant grill. Oh, he's gonna use his fire magic. Ooh. Yo. So what Phil's gonna step in. Oh, some wind magic? Oh, grilled kraken. So what? What about the sea serpent and the other thing? Damn! Oh, that is alcohol? Damn, that's a lot. Bro, these guys are living it up. What, the sauce? Mayo and shichimi. What the heck is shichimi? Oh, some spices. Sui can't handle spices. Bruh. It looks really good. They're all gonna love it. Ew. They're gonna be like, this is heavenly. This is so good. Some good old meat and beer, bro. Hell yeah, bro. He's having trouble tearing it apart. The white stuff. Yeah, bro, every time he's like, ah. Hell yeah. Promote him to an S rank. Yo, this was a really fun episode. I enjoyed this. So now they can go fishing. Oh, dude, I love that sunset. The way the sunlight glistenings off the water. Oh, boy. Yo, the fish market is going to be crazy. They're going to be stocked up. Alright guys, that was Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 11. This was a really fun episode with them fighting a kraken, a sea serpent, and whatever the fuck the other thing is. I don't even know how to say that. But yeah, this was a fun episode. I enjoyed this a lot. So if you enjoyed my reaction, if you could like, comment, subscribe, I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.